This little bathroom has a lot of bang for the buck. So a couple things in here that make it really interesting. So if you don't have a big bathroom, don't worry, there's always lots you can do. First thing is, if you look down on our floor here, our floor is a porcelain tile made to almost look like a wood. And I love this because it adds a lot of texture and pattern quickly. So even if you love modern style, sometimes it's nice to put in natural elements. So this is kind of a cross between natural and modern all mixed together. Our vanity is clean cut, nice flat doors, so it's easy to maintain. But then we did really natural looking handles on it. So again, we evoke that sense of wood, trees, nature, much like our flooring. And then the last thing we did was, wow, we have this beautiful big window, and who wouldn't want a beautiful big window in the bathroom? But you do have to cover it. So in this case, we use something called a mandalay. This is a great kind of blind that if I just pull this here, you can see how it completely closes like that. And it's just by pulling on our roll string that it allows us to have the look. So a really great design detail that can go in any room. I just happen to use it here because we have a really big window. So there you go, little bathroom, lots of great ideas. Anything that you can add to your own home bathroom is always a good thing.